There's a documentary which I highly recommend everybody to look into. It's called The Light Bulb Conspiracy. It talks about light bulbs. Right here. Light bulbs.
The light bulb at the Livermore Fire Station has been burning continuously since 1901. Ironically, the bulb has already outlasted 2 webcams.
There's a bulb that's out. It's called the Centennial light bulb. That light bulb lasts 120 years and is still burning to this day in California. Anybody can look this up. Centennial light bulb. It's an incandescent bulb that emits 4 watts. Now, why am I talking about this? Because the technology has existed since 1902, 1901, 1903. We're just being resold the same technology from the past as they alter it and then change it down. So for example, if you guys didn't know, all of the electric companies in about the 1920s got together and they actually made the light bulb begin to last longer. Think about this. The light bulb to begin to last longer. So let's say you had a light bulb that lasted 10,000 hours. Well, little engineers got together and they took apart that light bulb until they can figure out how that light bulb would only last 3 years. So now what happens is, with the climate change narrative, they say that these light bulbs and all of us and what we're doing, driving around in our cars and all the other things that we're using, those things are contributing and causing the climate change. But in reality, they've been manipulating our technology so that it's a throwaway technology. It begins to just fall apart after a couple of years. That's the first and foremost one. So the things just begin to fall apart and you're like, why is it broken? I have to go buy something new. That's part of this. In the documentary, The Light Bulb Conspiracy, they talked about this. So now what happens is we have, as people are commenting on the bottom, a disposable society. You just keep throwing things away, and then it leads to trash and pollution. And then what are the materials made out of? DuPont plastic. DuPont plastic lobbied against any hemp maker. Hemp is the solution to the plastic. And when we go and we look at the oceans and we look at the plastic and all the other things that we see and all the pictures that they push with the climate change thing, we could just get rid of the plastic overnight. We can switch to hemp. Same with the bulbs. We could be using incandescent bulbs that last 100 years.